Okay guys, good day. So for today's video guys, I will gonna teach you how you are going to divide a fraction. Okay, so there are three basic rules to divide a fraction guys. Okay, first one is here. Okay, we need to get first the reciprocal of the second term. Okay, the second rule guys is we have to change the operation from division to multiplication. Okay, then the third rule is we have to multiply each term. Okay, so very simple guys. For example, this given 1/2 divided by, let's say, 4/5. Okay, okay, so 1/2 divided by 4/5. Okay, so our first term here is 1/2 and the second term is 4/5. Okay, so according to the rules, we have to get first the reciprocal of the second term. Okay, so since our second term is 4/5, we need to get the reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of the 4/5 is 5/4. Okay, it is the reciprocal. When we see reciprocal guys, it is the inverse of a number. Okay, meaning ang kabaliktaran ng number. Okay, so sir, what if the second term sir is whole number? Okay, so all whole number guys, it is understandable that is over 1. Okay, for example, our second term here is 5. Okay, so 5 is understandable that it is over 1. Okay, so meaning the reciprocal of 5/1 is 1/5. Okay, okay, 1/5 is the reciprocal of 5/1. So let's go back to our topic. Okay, okay, so the reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. Okay, so second rule is we need to change the operation from division to multiplication. Okay, so since we have 1/2 divided by 4/5, 1/2 divided by 5/4, the reciprocal of 4/5. Okay, so we are going to change the operation from division to multiplication. Okay, we have now 1/2 times 5/4. Okay, so let's go to the third rule. Okay, so the third rule is multiply each term. Okay, so we need to multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, so the numerator of the first term is 1 and the numerator of the second term is 5. Okay, so 5 times 1 we have 5. Okay, 2 times 4 equal to 8. Okay, so our quotient now is 5/8. So very simple guys. Okay, 5/8 is the quotient. Okay, okay guys, thank you. Sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to. At kung may gusto kayong request, at mag-comment lang kayo sa comment box. Okay, so thank you guys at God bless.